Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a journal entry in QuickBooks Online, step by step. The full guide, whether you're brand new to QuickBooks or just brushing up your skills, this tutorial will make journal entries simple and stress-free. So let's dive right in. First things first, why do we use a journal entry in QuickBooks? A journal entry is essential when you need to manually record financial transactions that don't come from an invoice, bill, or payment. It helps keep your accounts accurate and balanced. All right, let's get started. Go to the QuickBooks website and log in using your registered email and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, no worries. Just use the password recovery option to get back in. Once you're in, look for the Create button. You'll usually find it on the left side menu or at the top corner of your dashboard. Click on it. This button is your gateway to all transaction types in QuickBooks. From the drop-down list, choose Journal Entry. This opens a blank journal entry form where you can start entering your transaction details. On the first line, pick the account you're affecting. This could be an expense, income, or asset account. Then enter the transaction date, amount, and a short memo describing what the entry is for. Now, move to the second line and select the corresponding account for the double entry. If the first account was debited, this one should be credited, and vice versa. Add the same date, amount, and memo to make sure both sides match perfectly. Before you finalize, double check that your debits and credits are balanced. Once everything looks correct, click Save and New to record it, or Save and Close if you're done. And that's it. You've just created a journal entry in QuickBooks Online like a pro. Keep your financials accurate, your books clean, and your accountant happy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy QuickBooks tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.